Alright guys, we are at Fieldway Skatepark here in Croydon, and this is a nice little surprise because we think it's potentially new, and there's not all kind of new, and there's not much information online about it.
New, but now it doesn't.
Oh no.
I don't know. It's just a bowl.
We've been catfished, and it's just a bowl, which for some people is just enough. Basketball court.
Oh, it's there.
Floodlights for the basketball, but no floodlights for the skate park. It's small.
Oh, so small.
Oh, cute.
Oh, cutie ball.
Looks great on a sunny day.
So small. Take a brush if you
Oh
come
no,
here.
yeah. Sit Aurora down there. That's it, guys. Quarter pipe there. Oh, massive rock. Let's get that out. Get it out. Look at that. Get that out. Oh, it's got a fence around it. Oh, there's lots. Who's bringing the pebbles in there, man? Who's bringing them in? Here is just a collection of smaller goodies that I've removed from the park. Here we go. Some small goodies. I actually also saved a wood louse on this. There was a wood louse on that. I got him out safe and sound. There is actually a bit of a design flaw with this. Up the top here, where you drop in on the small bit, it's where it's got no transition to it. It's just kind of like a straight down drop. So it's nice that it's the height that it's at, but it's got no mellow transition, and you won't be able to see this in the video. But it kind of just goes. It's one of those ones where it's too short and not high enough. So actually, if you wanted to learn to drop in, you're actually better off in the deep end or medium end than this small bit, because you run the risk of going forward here. I'm going to take you for a little carve around now. We've removed a few stones and stuff. Let's wish for the best. Here we go. Cool. Nice. Ooh, beautiful. Nice, very nice. And the front side round here. Ooh, that's it. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's empty. Come on, people of London. Love your skate parks, love your skate spaces. Come and use them. Because if you don't use them, you will lose them. Will you carry my board while I go on this zip line? Scooter down here. I can burn that. Oh, I guess uphill. What am I thinking? I'm not thinking. Oh. Right, let's figure this out. Let's go, come on. No! That's that. Alright. Peace out, zipline works.